don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Welcome to our fans on TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Pyramids 2. I'm joined by Go.
Steve. Angisakutholi manje. Izizokuthola angisakutholi.
I know, shaya outfit le. Yeah, outfit le.
Great job.
I want dress. What? Mara sekuthulekile ngale yawo isapusha.
Hayi izwakele ibuyile futhi.
Isabamuri no. Isabamuri great. I want that.
Steve great. Semsuku Steve atsiqede fast Steve. Athi siqala sibingile emafins wethu Steve. Amachita support ibhola abathanda ibhola Steve. Baqhubeka basubscribe balike ama video kuma TikTok, ma YouTube uyabona Steve. Steve congratulations ku Pyramids Steve. Everyone knew ukuthi iSantana ngeke ilungile.
Everyone knew. Yeah.
If wena mojo ku Santana to win le we false fan.
Yeah.
If I'm a true fan, they knew bakhona ukusitshela thina ukuthi kusi akoshuba le. Ah, Steve.
What you know about?
Hayi, Steve angipha amagama.
I call from long.
Hayi bekuthini le call Steve. Ibuya phakathi.
Oh, pasimi. Bikomika ato uyothelile ukuthi I never reboye ngayo.
Steve.
Or was it hot?
Steve. Angikho lapha. Steve, I think everyone knew good Santana kutoba nzima for yena ukuthi win Steve. You're coming to this game Steve. If we coach, you have to cool if you coach. And if you coach a team like cool. Yeah. If you passionate ukuthi i-team ufuna ukuyikhulisa.
Sure.
Most tarisha amanye ama-opponent. If bakhona ukuchangeisa i-game plan yakho home, bakudlalisa ama-long ball. It tells you a lot about that team.
Yeah.
Uyafika la kule game. Ubeka uzwane benchini. Ufuna kenda njani because of kokucala ikhombile this team because they can play.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Okay, shapa kuna stress, sibukela game first half.
Yeah.
Yamgwinya u-Allen game, yamgwinya u-Adams game.
Yes.
Umgwena angekadlala 2 ama-position or 3 ama-position.
Sure.
Angeka cover phinza strike or aphinza attack or maybe aphasa ama-ball.
Yeah.
Yabona?
Yeah.
Kunzima for yena umgwena ukuthi aba midfielder ayi-1.
Yes.
You know.
Yes.
Steve coming to second half. I-Pyramids or maybe first half. I-Pyramids idlala nga-3 yama midfield. Bazokata bani. And ungacheka bonke lamajita laba ePyramids bamuva bonke and bakata uAlende bakata nayo umgwena that's umgwena ka off today mina for me ka off and angasho last time Thibo interview yami ngathi umgwena dropa was this guy right back umvala ubani this guy umdaw ya dropa bayadlala bona but bayadropa Steve. So yibona if ukhodosi yahlala lapha ya which is the wrong thing kimi ngibona kwami tolunga lapha ya tobona bayadropa la machita lapha ya Pyramids coming to second half Steve sicethe fast Steve. Pyramids make sure ukuthi Sundown futhi idlala the same way midlala ngakhona home. Make sure ukuthi Sundown yabaforce ukusebenza ama sub are useless.
Yeah.
Keep Renas. That combination actually nerves me right. Mina for me. Eta uzwan. A supply at least. We call him to make a puma. But lenye into Steve Uzwane is Zwane playing the football. Or is Cardoso playing the football that Zwane plays? You understand? Or maybe Obas. Or maybe Mgwen. The answer is no.
Yes.
Yalahleke sometimes slowly but surely Steve. Mara sikho lapho Steve. Congratulations Pyramid. Sivale alela Steve. Sayibona next season.
Yeah.
Asisi 13.
Man of the match.
Steve angifavor both of the teams. Mr. Ref.
Mr. Ref.
Yeah.
Thank God.